Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design an impossible 3D design in Solidworks software. So before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now I'm going to start. New file is selected, part is selected, then OK. Then I'm selecting the units MMGS and going to the edit document units, selecting the image quality and increasing it. The resolution is increasing. Then OK. Then I'm going to the sketch and 3D, going here and 3D sketch is selected. Then taking a line, sketching a line from here, then here. Then I want to go in here, that's why I have to change the direction. So press the tab from the keyboard, then going here. Then I'm going here, but I have to change the direction. So press the tab from the keyboard, going here, and I want to go into upwards. So press the tab again and going here. Right button is click select. After that, I'm going to the smart dimension. So smart dimension and determine this one 35 mm. And this one, so this is pointed. So this one is again and taking the dimension. This one is 40 and I'm taking this one is 80. This one is also 40. This one is 35. Then exit it. Then I'm taking a top line, going to the sketch and taking a center rectangle, sketch here. Then go to the dimension and determine it. This one is 10. And side is also 10 mm. Then OK. Then Control 7 press from the keyboard C. Then I'm going to the features and Solidworks is selected. The first click on this rectangle and second click on this here. Then OK. See. Then I'm selecting this one and go to the sketch. And I'm taking a line and sketching a line from here to here, going and selecting. Smart dimension selected, then determine the angle. This one is 35 millimeter on 35 degrees. Okay. Then go to the features, extrude cut is selected. It will be the here. I want to reverse this section, this one. Then going here, tool is selected, then okay. Then again selecting this one and going to the sketch and taking a line, sketching a line from here to here. I'm going to click OK. Then selecting the OK again. I'm selecting this portion and this line, and it will be the 45 millimeters and sorry 45 degrees. Okay, going to the features, extrude cut is selected and direction this way. going here for the selector. Then I need to view for control 7. Then I'm going to select the colors. I want to select the glass. Take this color. No, glass is not better. Okay, glass is okay. Not this one. Now see. So it's a simple 3D in Solidworks software. So if you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The redesign engineering is always with you. Thank you so much.